This video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the new adware type application called UsualAccess. UsualAccess stands for new adware that may suddenly attack Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. UsualAccess adware, once installed, starts to display pretty intrusive ads while you surf the internet. If this UsualAccess adware was found on your computer somehow, make sure you remove this adware from your system as soon as you can. Otherwise, it will just keep disturbing you greatly with its multiple ads. To remove this adware, here's what you need to do. Check your applications, find this UsualAccess, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. You may also empty the trash, of course. I also recommend that you restart the computer with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start researching the system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.